Hey guys, welcome back to Haute AG. We have this beautiful F82 M4 here on the lift. We just installed our custom Haute AG downpipes in. So you can see here they're nicely installed. They have the flex pipes, full 3-inch, fully connected, installed. There's one, there's two up there, perfect fitment. And we hooked up the JB4 as well, so we'll show you how that works. Here's the old downpipes. So these guys are pretty big, full cats. So they definitely limit the power out of these cars. So here you can see we have the JB4 interface open. So it's pretty easy to use. There's file connect, disconnect, it's already connected. You can choose the maps here. You can do full data logging. User adjustment, you can clear codes. You can monitor methanol if you have that set up. It's a nice little system. Here's the beauty of the M4 engine. Chris, let's hear how these downpipes sound. So the downpipes give a little bit of a deeper tone, more aggressive sound. Beautiful note out of this car. Nice custom interior, fully optioned out, white leather, navigation, the works, manual of course. So we'll see how this baby rips.